In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all links from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever found yourself with a document filled with hyperlinks that need to be cleared, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. Whether you're tidying up a presentation or preparing a document for print, understanding how to manage links in your PDF is a valuable skill. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Make sure you have this software installed and ready to go. It's a powerful tool that's widely used for editing PDFs, offering a wide range of functionality. Once your document is open, head on up to the top menu bar. Here, you'll notice a range of options. Find and click on Tools, then select Edit PDF. This action will take us into the editing mode, where we can manipulate different elements within the file. Now, in the toolbar that appears, look for the Link option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will show up. Choose Add/Edit Web or Document Link. This step is crucial as it will reveal all the hyperlinks in your document. You'll notice that any links present are now highlighted within rectangles. This visual cue makes it easy to identify where the links are scattered throughout the document. To remove these links efficiently, you'll need to select them first. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl+A. For Mac users, it's CMC+A. This keyboard shortcut will select all the highlighted links at once, saving you from the hassle of clicking each link individually. With all links selected, you can now remove them by simply pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. And there you have it. With these steps, you've cleared all the links from your PDF, leaving you with a clean document free from any unwanted hyperlinks. This method can be a real time saver when you're dealing with large files or multiple PDFs. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll be able to apply this simple yet effective technique whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this. See you in the next video.